Morning, boys and girls. Are you ready for maths? I am stood near our 100 square in the focus room, and we have been working so far since the holidays on numbers from 1 to 50. You have been amazing at this so far. We're going to carry on today. Can you make sure before you continue the video that you have 50 small objects or toys or something ready for our maths lesson? Amazing. Right, let's get all warmed up, ready to start our maths lesson. Number 1, what comes next? We've got 13, 14, 15. Question 2, what comes next? We've got 13, 12, 11. Missing number. Can you write it in? Question 3, 19 is 1 more or less than 20. So is 19 1 more than 20 or 1 less than 20? Have a think. Question 4, 12 is 1 more or less than 13. Is 12 1 more than 13 or is 12 1 less than 13? Pause the video if you need to finish writing down your warm-up answers. Let's go through them now. So question 1, what comes next? Let's find them on our number chart. We've got 13, 14, 15. What comes next? 16. A 1 followed by a 6. Check yours. Give yourself a big tick. Question 2, what comes next? We've got 13. We're counting backwards this time. 12, 11. Oh, where do I go now? I'm gonna have to go up here. What comes next when I'm counting backwards? 10. Check your 10 and give yourself a big tick or fix it if you need to do. Question 3, 19. Oh, let's find 19 on the number chart, our 100 chart here. 19. These are the teens. 19. Okay, is 19 1 more or 1 less than 20? 19. Oh, it's smaller than 20, so it must be 1 less than 20. So the answer is less. 1 less than 20. Give yourself a big tick. Question 4, 12. Is 12 1 more or 1 less than 13? 12 is 1 less than 13. It's smaller than 13, isn't it? So the answer is less. Big tick for you and a super smiley face as well. You all did some wonderful maths yesterday. Once again, we're so proud of you, and you should be really proud of yourselves as well. Our marvellous mathematician is back, and today it is, can we have a fireworks plant? Oh, it is Cole. Well done, Cole. You strived so high, and your mum said how much you were focusing on using super maths vocabulary as well. So you were saying 40 is 4 tens and no ones. 41 is 4 tens and 1 1. Just incredible, Cole. Keep striving. Today we are going to be learning more about 1 more and 1 less than a number. And we're going to be looking at bigger numbers today, numbers up to 50. Hi boys and girls. Okay, let's get started. Did you know that finding one more is just the same as adding one? Can you say that? Finding one more is like adding one. So, how many straws does Mo have? He has 3 bundles of 10 and 2 ones. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. Mo has 32 straws. Ron comes along and says, I'm going to give you one more straw. So look, one more is like adding one on. One more than 32 is 33. So one more than 32 is 33. Let's have a look on our number chart. So 32 is here. We know from looking at one more last time, we just jump up one to add one more on. One more than 32 is 33. 32 add 1 is 33. Well done. And if we were finding one less, it's like subtracting one or taking away one. Mo still has the same amount of straws, 3 10s and 2 1s. Mo has 32 straws. This time, Ron comes along and takes one away. That would give Mo one less. So I'm going to cross one out to show that it's been taken away. What is 1 less than 32? How many straws are left? There's still 3 10s, but now there's only 1 1. So 1 less than 32 is 31. Let's have a look on our 50 chart. 32, 1 less, going to get smaller, take 1 off, 31. So if we're finding one more, we can jump up 1. When we're finding one less, we can jump back 1. Okay, can you count how many fish are in the tanks? Pause the video. How many fish are there? We've got 1 10 and 5 1s, which is 15. What is 1 more than 15? If 1 more fish was added into the tank, what would that be? Oh, there he is. How many fish? Did you say 16? Incredible. 1 more than 15 is 16. Say, 1 more than 15 is 16. 1 more than 15 is 16. Well done. Oh, some spiders have scrambled in and they've neatly arranged themselves onto these 10 frames. How many spiders are there? We've got 2 full 10 frames. And how many ones? 2 10s and 9 ones. How many spiders? 29. Did you get 29? 29. What is 1 more than 29? Let's draw another one in. Here's our final spider, one more. Remember, it's the same as adding on one. I'm going to draw another 8-legged friend. There he is with his 8 legs. One more than 29 is... Now there's 3 full 10 frames. 10, 20, 30. Let's have a look on our 50 chart, our 100 chart. 29, one more, 30. You are superstars. So remember, we said one more means add one, one less means take away one. Okay, how many fish are in the tanks now? There are 2 fish tanks of 10, 2 10s and 8 1s. How many fish altogether? 28. One less. How do I show one less than 28? Take one away. One has to jump out. I'm going to cross him out. He's jumped out. So how many are in the tank now? 27. Amazing. Let's have a look. Let's check on our chart. There were 28, but we took one out. One less is 27. Brilliant work. Okay, those spiders have neatly arranged themselves onto the 10 frames again. They are super clever spiders. How many spiders are on the screen now? There are 4 10 frames and they're all full 4 10s. What is 4 10s? 10, 20, 30, 40. There's 40 spiders on the screen at the moment. What is one less than 40? Take one away. I'm just going to cross one out. He's scuttled off. What's one less than 40? Now we've got 3 full 10 frames and 9 spiders in the final one. 3 10s and 9 1s. 10, 20, 30, 9, 39. Let's check it. 39 using the square. 40 is here. One less. Count that one. 39. Spot on. Now, boys and girls, I would like you to make the number 23. I'd love it if you could make it in 10s and 1s. Here is the number 23. How many 10s? 2 10s, 2 full 10 frames. You might have a pile, 2 piles of 10. And 3 1s. But I've already added on 1 more. Can you put 1 more into your pile of 1s? How many do you have now? 2 10s and 4 1s. So 1 more than 23 is 24. 23, 1 more, add 1 on, is 24. Can you now make the number 48 using 10s and 1s? How many 10s is in 48? 10, 20, 30, 40. You'll need 4 10s and then 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. 8 1s. You might need to pause the video to calculate and count 48 really carefully. Now you've got 48. How would you find 1 less than 48? Remember, 1 less is the same as subtracting 1 or taking 1 away. Can you take 1 away from your pile? And how many do you have left? Make sure you take 1 away from your piles of 1s to make it easy. You should have 1, 2, 3, 4 10s left. And I'm just going to cross out 1 here to pretend I've taken it away. How many 1s have I got? 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. 48. 1 less is 47. Did you get that? Okay, boys and girls, it's now your turn. I'd like you to use your toys and your objects at home to work out these questions. Look carefully at the number and then look at whether you've been asked to show 1 more or 1 less. Really looking forward to seeing your maths today.